there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you're looking for a great body wash, I highly recommend this one. It's from Dead Sea Collection. This is their Cherry Blossom. This is their relaxing and pampering body wash. It smells just as you would think it to smell. It smells very much like cherry, and it has minerals and cherry oil in it, which I really like. It also has magnesium, potassium, bromide, chloride, and sodium. And these really help to ease stress, to relax your body. It's good for your metabolism, energy flow, good cell mineral balance. So a lot of good minerals in here. And I also like the consistency of this. I like that it foams up well. I like that it leaves my skin feeling soft, and it smells really good. And it lasts a long time. These big bottles are great because we go through a lot of body wash. And I would highly recommend this. If you're looking for a new body wash, then this Dead Sea collection has been really nice, but that's just my point of view.